We're rolling, Chuck.
We're rolling?
We're rolling.
Well, this morning we've got the back half of this frame section out of the bus Michael picked up the other day. Today's project, we're going to get these U-bolts off, relocate the perches to the correct width for our Ram chassis, relocate the shock mounts, and hopefully you get this thing into a dually today.
A dually. We love a dually.
What are you going to do with this? What are you going to do with use them? For using? Yeah. Got the U-bolts off. We got half of them hanging here. It's good. We got the mounts for the shocks. They're both cut off and ground down. So we'll about ready to take and lift this thing off the frame and get it over here out of the way, and then pull the Packard forward and do some more measuring. Get ready to cut these blocks here off so that we can move them to match the overall distance of the leaf springs that are underneath the Dodge chassis. So stay tuned. Star, what are you doing?
I'm putting some tape in this hole so no dirt gets into the brake fluid right here.
Oh, good idea. Way to think ahead. Hey, dude, you're making a bunch of sparks.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's it.
Kind of the point.
Lucky Chuckie,
Yo,
what are you doing?
chasing some threads.
On what?
We're gonna use these old U-bolts for mock-up since it's Sunday and we really can't go source any right now.
Oh, I see. You're doing a fine job.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Lucky Chuckie,
Yo,
tell me a story.
story.
Pick one, man.
I have no stories.
Tell me about our flame-throwing chair that we built for Fabtech.
The fabulous Throne of Flames, which needs to live on. We need to find some places to showcase it since most venues won't allow us to fire it off like it needs to be done. So
Yeah.
anybody out there need to showcase a flame and throne, get some attention to an event, let us know.
So that throne is actually available for lease for your event. Hit us up. It will attract many. You can advertise that it'll be there. As soon as that thing fires off, people come running. Huh.
And you can sit in it.
And you can sit in it. If you get tired, you can take a break. We only charge by the minute. Rockstar. What's your name?
Rockstar.
Rockstar. What are you doing, Rockstar?
I'm chasing some threads
On what?
on a U-bolt for the suspension.
I can't hear you.
On a U-bolt for the suspension.
Oh, you're doing a good job, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. You might make a mechanic yet. You want a 10-inch deep well socket?
Love one.
All right, these are the rear shackles for our leaf springs on the 96 Dodge chassis. This is stock, so this is before, right, sitting on top. Then we come over here to the other side. What we've done is we've notched that out and dropped it to the bottom, so that way we can get rid of our lifting block. We'll go back through and re-weld this piece in. Since we learned on this side, the next side we'll just cut the square hole out in the middle to run that right up through the bottom of the shackle. So, before and after. Okay, so we got a hot mess. We got some stuff done. We got to a stopping point because our U-bolts are too long, they're jacked up, threads are damaged, so we took and did a reversal on the perches right here. We cut the bucket out. These were on top before. We lowered them to the bottom, reinforced all that with some 1/4-inch flat bar and some gussets there. So what that did is basically allowed us to take out these lifting blocks right here. So we didn't want those in there, so those are out now. We get our new leaf springs, and then tomorrow we get all of our wheels and tires, so we'll put our dually, or our wheels with temporary tires. We'll put our dually set back on here, and we already have it located in where it needs to go across the new leaf springs. One of the other things that we added, it's kind of like a traction bar. We took a piece of 3/8 plate underneath here and made it 12 inches long, and we took our new perches, or our perches off the axle that we cut off, and welded them on there, and that's gonna help with some deflection for axle wrapping. And that's it, new leaf springs, get the wheels on it, and then we'll have it all snugged up. We're not gonna set the pinion angle until after we get the engine and transmission set. So we got our eyes on a transfer case that we're gonna go check out this week. Hopefully we can score it, and we'll be back. See you.